Good afternoon, Vipers. Today on December 17th, we celebrate National Wright Brothers Day. As on this day, they flew the very first powered plane at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Today is also National Maple Syrup Day. As most of you know, we have midterms this week. Here is a video for how to study for those midterms.
We have midterms coming up, so that probably means you have a lot of studying to do. There are many easy ways to prepare for these tests. First, always check its learning. Your teachers post many resources and extra practices. Always complete the paper study guides and check your answers because these are usually very helpful. Also, a lot of these tests are cumulative, so it might be a good idea to flip through your binders and you could look through past units and find an old test. And personally, I would rework some of the problems so you don't make the same mistake. If there's a certain topic that you don't remember, you could email your teachers to get some extra practice. Other than that, I would say it's pretty much up to you. You could do a Kahoot, a Quizlet, maybe some flashcards, or study with a friend. It's whatever works best. If you are at school in person, you could sign up for a review help session in the morning. Good luck on your midterms. Hopefully these ideas can help you study.
And we are halfway through. We wish you all the best of luck. We interviewed a couple people to play games of two truths and one lie. Here are the results.
Alright, so we're playing two truths and a lie. First question is, the Montgomery Ward department store created Rudolph the Reindeer as a marketing gimmick to encourage children to buy Christmas coloring books. The second one is Christmas tree angels and stars were originally made as a sign of peace. And then the third one is some zoos take donated Christmas trees and use them as food for the animals.
The lie is the second one.
Correct.
Let's go!
Alright, so we're playing two truths, one lie. The first one is hanging stockings was originally a Hanukkah tradition. The second one, gifts were not always given for Hanukkah. The third one, for Hanukkah, one candle is lit per night. Which one is the lie?
First one?
It is. So.
We're gonna play two truths and a lie. The first one is Kwanzaa is not a religious holiday. The second one is Kwanzaa celebrates African culture. The last one is Kwanzaa colors are brown, orange, and green. Which one's the lie?
Number 3.
You are correct. We're gonna be playing two truths and a lie. The first one is the original Rudolph did not have a red nose. The second one is Christmas is always on a Sunday. And the third one is Brenda Lee recorded Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree when she was only 13 years old. Which one's the lie?
I think the second one's the lie.
The second one is the lie.
Is it actually? Okay.
We're going to be doing two truths and a lie. And the first one is hanging stockings was originally a Hanukkah tradition. Gifts were not always given for Hanukkah, or for Hanukkah, one candle is lit per night, which is the lie.
You say it again.
Hanging stockings was originally a Hanukkah tradition. Gifts were not always given.
First one.
Correct. We're going to be doing two truths and a lie. And the first statement is the Montgomery Ward department store created Rudolph the Reindeer as a marketing gimmick to encourage children to buy their Christmas coloring books. The second one is Christmas tree angels and stars were originally made as a sign of peace. And the third one is some zoos take donated Christmas trees and use them as food for the animals. Which one's the lie?
The first one.
That is incorrect. It is the second one. We're going to play two truths and a lie. The first one is the original Rudolph did not have a red nose. The second one is Christmas is always on a Sunday. And the third one is Brenda Lee recorded Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree when she was only 13 years old. Which one is the lie?
So I can only count to 3. So you go with 2.
2 is correct.
For the next questions, we got Kwanzaa is not a religious holiday. Kwanzaa celebrates African culture. Or Kwanzaa colors are brown, orange, and green. Which one's a lie?
The third one.
True.
Tomorrow's weather will be a high of 52 and a low of 28 with lots of sun. Now back to Evan.
Lunch for Friday will be French bread garlic pizza with the homemade marinara sauce and Smucker's PB&J. Now for the quote of the day. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, by Arthur Ashe. Vipers, we hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!